that gear. There's almost no delay.
Today's video is starting out in motion because we're going to go meet up with my buddy Terrence, which he got a new car, and I'm sure you guys can guess because of the title what car that is. I want to see what this hype is all about and see if this thing's really that awesome. Plus, he's already modified his, so let's go check it out. Kind of like in a rural part of California. Like my little town is a part of like the rural part, so we got dairy farms and stuff like that. Like I don't know if you guys can see that over there with all my Ricer stickers, but there's a dairy farm literally right there. Woo-wee, it smells like poop. Like it is so bad. And I just walked right into it because I had my windows down and I got the heater on. The heater, cow poop and windows down, not a very good. Oh, CHP over there. Who are you trying to get, mister? Watch it be me, like I just see lights come on and I get pulled over for window tint. Man, that would suck. As I was saying, I thought I'd get used to living out here with like cow poop, and I do for the most part. Like it's way less than it used to be when I first moved out here, but there's still some days where it's like, it's right. And now we sit and wait at the Mustang's favorite place, which is a gas station. It's a little windy today, so I'm gonna try to keep the wind noise down. Hopefully the GoPro does a pretty good job at it. You guys can probably see with my hair, this wind is definitely blowing pretty strong. Plus, look at these flags. Man, these things are going. I don't even know if you guys can hear me right now. All right, so we made it, and I have Terrence right here, and his car is so clean. We met up at a gas station, which I talked about because this is where Mustangs always like to visit. There's a vicious wind, and I'm trying to make sure that the GoPro is kind of blocked with my body. But mainly, we're gonna check out his car, which is a GT500, the 2020. He's already got modifications on it with custom forged wheels. Basically, they're one-piece aluminum wheels that are like forged, so that way they're extra strong. No pothole's gonna mess these up. They're lighter, so rotational mass is better, and it's just overall gonna make better handling and just make your car faster. So this is a track build type of car. He's actually even taking it to the track here soon. So this car is set up to go fast, and it is gonna be so fun to ride in this thing. He has it super clean, he maintains it, it's brand new. It just got tint, it also just got paint protection film, so she's ready to rip. But something new that I really like about them is these hood pins. So they come with factory hood pins, and these are like the cool push pin ones. It also has a big old vent. So this thing is so sick. It looks super mean. S550s, you know, I'm usually a hater of them, but when they have a factory wide body and they're done so well, I kind of like them. And honestly, the GT500 is growing on me just because it's legendary, it's fast, and I feel like there's so much potential. There's a shop here called RPG Racing Engines. They actually built, it's just a 6's motor, and the guy there, he took it apart like a block on a GT500, and he said this block is capable of 1200 wheel horsepower. So if you think about that, that's about 1500 crank horsepower to get to 1200 wheel horsepower through this automatic, judging for like the drivetrain loss. So on the inside, he didn't go with the Recaros, he went with the nice factory leather seats where they're heated and cooled, which honestly, I might get a lot of hate for this, but I might probably go for those as well. Just because the Recaros are still manual seats and everything, and for this car, it's such a high-end car, why not upgrade and get heated and cooled seats? It's obviously got the digital dash, he's got the Alcantara with driving gloves, the 10-speed transmission, and even has his little buddy in there to go riding with him, and it's got the full carbon dash. Has a signature over there, which I don't really know quite yet. This one, it also has the wicker bill. So this is something new for the GT500, is they have the wicker bill versus the old GT500 wing like that. So it just kicks up. It also kicks up and then out 90 degrees. So looks really aggressive, and I'm pretty sure you can adjust it and make it even more aggressive. Full carbon dash, got the big screen there. Ooh. Sounds pretty good. You got the just stock exhaust, huh?
Yeah, man, all factory.
So the only mod you have is the wheels and the PPF and tint.
Yeah, man, that, the wheels. Oh, and a 4 performance air filter for the gobs of power that it frees up.
Oh, does it actually? Or not really?
No, not really.
No. I was like, so like, oh, dude, really? No. So this signature, I kind of mentioned it in the video. This is actually the guy that this car was meant for, right?
Yeah, Joey Hand.
So Joey Hand, he's a actual race car driver with the 4GT program, and this car was spec'd for him, but he got this car basically like through some dealership stuff. He got the car and even had the race car driver sign it. So this is technically a race car driver's car.
Yeah.
That's pretty sweet.
The CS on the dash is for the VIP orders.
Oh, so the CS is something too.
Yeah, so most of the cars will have the letter L on their chassis number.
Oh, so this is extra special.
Yeah.
So this is the VIP GT500. Oh, by the way, I didn't mention it, but Terrence also has a GT350R, very modified, and a new Raptor. So he's a Ford guy at heart. He's got the GT500, the GT350R, and that Raptor. And overall, what would you say the big differences are between the R and this?
I would say that the 500 is like the R, but it accentuates kind of the speed aspect.
Yeah.
The big difference between the two really is just the driver engagement. I mean, having that third pedal, you know, the 350R is always kind of begging you to be at red line.
Yeah, that transmission's super nice, especially when you put the MGW and stuff on it.
Oh yeah, that's a super smooth ride, and you know, being able to heel toe downshift or work your apex is amazing driver's car.
Yeah, because he does track his car and he can heel toe and all that. I cannot. I do the classic, just like put in the clutch, hit the gas and downshift, and then get back on your brake. Yeah. He's got the skills. We give it a little goose here.
So we'll give it a little bit of play here. And that's just going up to 60 miles an hour.
Oh, dude.
And you can feel how the car just kind of sucks you in.
Yeah.
So that feeling of speed that's what's so much different than the 350R.
Dude.
And that's what all the prior GT500 guys are going to love about this car.
And also what's crazy is this is a known pretty rough road. Like in my car, I'm bouncing everywhere. As you can see in this car, no problems. Like it is so smooth, track straight. Like I'm watching this truck in front of us bounce around in these roads. Like this would be killing my car. This would be killing my back. Maybe I'm becoming an S550 lover because I have a thing where I'm an S197 guy. I love the rawness, but dude, these are really nice.
Well, you can always have an S550 on the side.
That's exactly it. I would not get rid of mine, but I could add a GT500. I can add a GT500. All right, we got a clickbait title now. We have the world's youngest GT500 owner. It's his race car, right? It's your race car? That's the world's youngest GT500 owner. Got one way before me. This dude's doing it right.
But once you get the car into manual mode, one thing that's really cool about the transmission is it's linked directly to the paddles. So when you go to grab that gear, there's almost no delay.
Oh, jeez. Dude, she gets it.
Yeah. And again,
you don't feel the shifts at all.
And that's, you know, 65 miles an hour, right? So
yeah, you do not feel the shifts at all. Dude, these cars are insane. Again, I'm an S197, I'm a manual guy, but when you have the options to have multiples, I wouldn't mind adding this to the fleet just because it's so refined, it's super smooth, heated seats, doesn't feel the shifts, and it just is so fast. Like, so fast. Oh, dude, that's way quiet. That's pretty different. That's like don't make your neighbors mad loud. Now she opened up. Woo. That's normal. Oh. Oh. That was sport. That's his track. Oh. Oh, dude, that's actually a really big difference. I don't think you need to touch the exhaust. Maybe add Corsa in there if you want, but dang. Something crazy about these wheels is it has actually like pockets that are CNC'd out, so it's even lighter. So already the material's light, but then you like forge and cut out these little pockets, makes the spokes even lighter, just reducing rotational mass. And look at that, huge brakes in the rear, a separate parking brake. This is what Ford needed all along, the 4 Brimbos, all 4 corners. That's something I wish my car had over there, is it had the Brimbos in the rear. But I get why, because the 15-inch drag radial. But man, this thing is nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just have a 5.0.
I like the 5.0 too.
You have the guard green.
Yeah, that's why.
That's the color I was gonna
pretty
order.
rare color too, man. Looks cool.
It is very rare. I was gonna have it color like this or something, you know, black or something, but started looking at it in the sun, and I'm like, everybody's like telling me this color. Dude, we never see this color.
Yeah, it's green, it's gray.
Yeah, it's weird.
Yeah.
It changes. So I was like, you know what? If I start putting Because I want to put a supercharger on it. I'll do all that shit to it.
Yeah.
But if I start doing carbon fiber work to it with that color,
Yeah.
oh my God.
That's what I have, is a bunch of carbon on mine.
Yeah.
Manual or auto?
Oh, it's a 6-speed.
Oh, nice. You got the
Yeah,
LTA
I
too?
can't.
Hey, he's part of the stick life.
Yeah,
He's
I
got
can't
it.
do it the other way, bro.
Save the manuals, man.
Save the
Right.
manuals. As he's driving his 10-speed automatic. Hey, Mustangs bring everybody together,
about
man.
that or the I know, dude. I've been seeing them around.
Yeah.
Is there like clubs or some shit?
I mean, I'm sure there's Mustang clubs around.
Yeah.
Yeah, they all get together and stuff. S550 over there, S550 right there. And then I get back into my S197. But like he said, there's people out there that love it. Huge shout out to Signature Mustang. I'll have his Instagram down in the description below. This is his car. It's a development car. You can go check out his other cars as well and all the other cars he's built wheels for, because he also builds some really sick custom wheels. Maybe one day we'll invest in some custom forged wheels. I get some fully custom spec'd forged wheels for the car. Maybe 3-piece even, I don't know. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you tolerated the wind. I'm sorry for all the noise. It's just a windy night here. If you guys enjoyed, and if you did, then please comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.